Hello friends at home. In this video, we will be doing today's math lesson. It is actually our math review to prepare us for our test that we will be taking tomorrow. If you open up your math books, everyone here in the classroom is opened up to page 73. That is a 7 and a 3, 7 tens and 3 ones, and we are going to begin the review. Remember, all of the problems that we are going to go through on this review, boys and girls, are going to look a lot like the problems that you will see tomorrow on the test. So when you get home tonight, go over this review. Show it to mom and dad. Say, hey, mom and dad, why don't you give me a couple problems that look like these ones? Let them help you so that you're prepared tomorrow to take that test. Okay? I know that you can do all of this stuff. I've seen amazing work in the classroom. I've seen amazing work being done at home. You turned in your check your progress pages and you all did very well on those. So I know that you will do great on this test. But right now, while we're reviewing for the test, while we're studying for the test, it's really important that you pay attention so that you can make sure this is all in that brain of yours. So tomorrow on the test, you do an awesome job, okay? So go ahead if you're in the classroom or if you're sitting at home and look at the top of page. I'll show you here just so we're all clear. 73. And I'm looking at problem number 1. So problem number 1, let me get myself out of the way so I can use my whiteboard here. Problem number 1 says, what is the unknown addend? Now, we just started talking about that yesterday, but you guys were doing a really good job with it. So if you put your eyes up here, the problem that they wrote out is 5 plus some number that we don't know equals 8. So yesterday, I showed you that what we're trying to figure out is this missing addend, or this missing part. So if I were to put this in a part, whole chart, it would look like this. I have 8 all together. On this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's keep counting until we get to 8 all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many, Isaac, do I need to put in for my missing addend? 3. So boys and girls, on that review, find the number 3 and fill in the bubble. Are there any questions about how to do that problem, or do you guys feel pretty good about that one? Connor? Never mind? Okay. Now we're going to go on to number 2. Number 2 is another, right? The unknown addend, and it says fill in the bar model to solve. So, on number 2, they have some number that we don't know plus 5 more is going to give us a sum or a whole of 7. So down here, they've drawn the box for the 2 parts, and then they do this line, which is where they want you to put the whole. Okay, so we know that our whole is 7. You can draw a 7 right on that box because it says fill in the bar model. That's our whole, or our sum. And we know that one of our parts is 5. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for one of our parts. Now we have to solve for this missing number, which is what this box will tell us. So I need to get to 7, but I'm already at 5. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Victoria, how many did I add in that box? 2. So my missing addend, or my missing part, is 2. So you'll put a 2 on this line. You'll put a 7 on the bar, and make sure you draw in 5 and 2 to show the 2 parts. Okay? All right, let's take a look now at number 3. Number 3 here says, Ella finds 2 pine cones. Circle 2 pine cones. I'm going to write it down. You circle 2 pine cones. It says Meg finds 3 more than Ella. So circle 3 more than Ella. I'm going to write down 3 more. Then it says, how many does Meg find? So I know, we got to remember, ask yourself, what do I know? I know Ella has 1, 2 pine cones. And I know that Meg has 3 more than that. So if I take Ella's 2 and I draw 1, 2, 3 more pine cones, how many pine cones does Meg find? Emily? 5. So boys and girls, on this page, fill in the number 5. Okay, God bless you. Now we're looking at number 4. Number 4 says, choose the 2 addition equations that show doubles plus 1 facts. It says choose the 2. So how many answers are you going to choose? 2. If you just put 1, you're getting half off. So put 2 answers. We're looking for doubles plus 1. Well, number 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's a doubles. So is that a doubles plus 1? No. Look at number 2. I have 1 plus 2. Well, I know 1 plus 1, and 1 more than that would be 2. So 1 plus 2 is a doubles plus 1. So you can fill in that one. Look at 3 plus 3. Is that a doubles or a doubles plus 1? That's a doubles, so we're not filling that in. Look at number 4. I have 4 plus 5. I know 4 plus 4 is a double. Well, what's 1 more than 4? 5. So that one's a a doubles plus 1. So you should have filled in, Serafina, the second bubble and the last bubble. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 4 plus 5 equals 9. Number 5, I think you guys can do pretty quickly on your own. It's a doubles. What is 3 plus 3? 6. Put a 6 on the line. And now let's take a look at number 6. We have 3 add-ins here. Remember adding up 3 numbers? So we have 2 plus 3 plus 4, and they want to know what that equals. So they're telling us we should combine the 3 and the 4. So they brought down the 2, and now we need to add up. What is 3 plus 4? Remember, you've got fingers. You can draw it out. You can count on. Amelia, what is 3 plus 4? 7. So now we're looking at 2 plus 7 equals some number. So you should have a 7 on this line, 2 plus 7. And what number are we going to put here, Connor? Connor? What number are we going to put here? Well, we got 2 plus 7 equals 9. I called on you because you were raising your hand. I thought you were raising it because you knew the answer. We'll come back to it, okay? All right. Go ahead and flip your page. Turn over to the other side. And let's look at number 7 at the top. It says break apart and add in. These are the ones you guys like the least. But we're still going to do it, and we're going to do great. Okay, so we're trying to get to a double. Right now we have 4 plus 3. What double could I pull out of 4 plus 3? Beckett? I could break apart the 4 to get 1 and a 3, right? So you're going to break apart your 4 so that you have 1 plus 3. They've already brought down the plus 3. So now, Brooklyn, what is 3 plus 3? 6 plus 1 more. 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Victoria, look at number 8. Doubles. 4 plus 4. Victoria, what's 4 plus 4? 8. Lily, what's 4 plus 5? Is 1 more than 4 plus 4, so it's... If you know 4 plus 4 is 8, then 1 more than that is 9. Good job. All right, let's look at number 9. Here we go. Harvey has 4 baseball caps. Circle 4 baseball caps, and I'm going to write it down here. Levi has 3 baseball caps. I'm going to put that. Levi, I do like that name. Gage has 1 baseball hat. How many baseball hats do they have in all? So I heard in all, so I'm going to be adding. Okay, so I'm adding 3 numbers together. If I combine my 3 and my 1 first, what will that give me, Camila? What's 3 plus 1? 4. So now I'm looking at a doubles fact. 4 plus 4. Noah? 8. So boys and girls, for that one, you should have 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8 in all. All right, now let's look at the last one, friends, number 10 on that page. It says, which shows 9 using a doubles plus 1 fact? So we want to figure out which one of these problems has a sum of 9 using a doubles plus 1. So what we'll do is look at each problem and decide, does it have a doubles? Does it have a plus 1? And is the sum 9? So for the first one, we have 4 plus 4. Is that a doubles? Yeah. Okay, so we got that part. Then it says plus 1. So is it a doubles plus 1? Yeah, we got that part. Now we have to see if it equals 9. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more equals 9. So does that one work? Yeah. Yep, you can fill in the circle next to that one. Let's take a look at the next one. It says 3 plus 3, so there's our doubles. Then it says plus 2. So is it a doubles plus 1? No, so the second one does not work. All right, let's take a look at the third one. We have 1 plus 3 plus 3. There's my doubles. Does it work? Yeah. Now there's my plus 1, so there's that part. But does it equal 9? 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. No. So does it work? No. And then my last one on that page, I have 4 plus 2 plus 1. Do I have a doubles? No. No, so that one doesn't work. So it looks like our only answer for number 10 was that first one. 4 plus 4 was our doubles, plus 1 equals 9. Okay? All right, so boys and girls, remember, this is just a review sheet to help you practice all of the methods we've been working on in the classroom. So tonight, go over this paper with your parents. If there's one that's confusing for you, tell them, hey, Mom and Dad, this one's a little confusing. Can you help me get this? And we will get through it. You guys are raising your hands. Did I miss one? Oh, I missed 2. Silly me. All right, let's get to those 2 more, okay?